Class 4 laser therapy. Laser therapy is unbelievable. It increases the blood flow, the energy production, gets good positive blood flow in the area, gets rid of inflammatory blood. I don't care what injury we're talking about, neck pain, broken toes, wrist pain, carpal tunnel. The class 4 laser is really, really powerful. And I tell you what, anytime I injure myself, the next morning I'm at the clinic, you bet your butt I'm lasering whatever it is. There's also a condition called peripheral neuropathy. Has anybody heard of peripheral neuropathy? Yes, yes. Great. Peripheral neuropathy is when you have decreased sensation and pain. Normally, if it's of the feet, it could be of other areas too, but normally it's the feet. And gosh, there's just not great medical intervention for peripheral neuropathy. People are trying neuromodulators and medications that help you not feel yourself very well. And as a result, people get relief of pain, but it doesn't actually change the condition. The class 4 laser actually stimulates the nerve endings of the feet, gets more blood flow, heals them up, and improves the sensation, decreases the pain. Lots of times it keeps people up at night because the foot pain on the covers and stuff like that. It gets to the point where people can't feel the brake pedal on their cars. So this is an amazing treatment that really makes a difference for people.